I'm here in front of Old Faithful to prove a point about consistent shrink film. A lot of shrink film is inconsistent. There's a lot of variability in the temperatures that you need in the fan. You have to, in the tunnel rather, you have to adjust the fans and you get inconsistent transverse direction shrink. I'm going to explain why our shrink film is the most consistent you can find due to raw materials and processing conditions. And the last bit is the honesty. Now, we start with virgin fractional melt low density polyethylene. We don't put in floor sweep, we don't put in repro. And just like Old Faithful, who starts with the same water every time to get consistent results, we end up with very consistent film. Now, this circle, which would represent the dye, explains why you have such variability in transverse direction shrink. If the melt came out of here and it gets oriented in this direction, that's the side direction, the amount that you blow it up affects how much it's going to shrink. Now, unlike the rest of these fumaroles, if you can imagine them being the other extrusion lines in the house, the scheduler always wants to put the order on the line which needs the most work. We don't do that. We give you the same shrink ratios every time, and we can guarantee 0 to 3% transverse direction shrinkage if you're interested. It's very simple. A percent saved is a percent saved. Now, common industry tolerances are plus or minus 10%. Old Faithful has a tolerance of a eruption time plus or minus 10 minutes. According to the National Forest Service, it can be anywhere from 35 to 40 minutes, and the eruptions can last anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. We do a lot better than that. The other thing that we do different is that we give you honest weights and measures. You get the weight and the footage on each roll. There are no games. Over the course of your order, you will actually get more film than you should have probably gotten theoretically. It's a thing called yield. So there you have it. If you want to have consistent shrink film, tell your extruder you want a low blow-up ratio, virgin materials, and you want to have consistent weights and measures on the roll tickets. You don't have to suffer. Meantime, enjoy your moment of faithful zen.